Hi and welcome to a new guitar lesson. I got a request where you asked me if I could show how to play the melody that you can hear on the beginning of the song Be The One by Dua Lipa. It's a super easy melody to play and it's really short, so it's going to be a short lesson. And this video is better for beginners. Tune your guitar and let's begin. We start placing the index finger on the 5th fret 3rd string. We play that tone, and after that we play with the middle finger the 6th fret 2nd string. And we're going to keep alternating those two tones. You see that line that we have under the 2nd 6 and the 3rd 6? That's a tie, and that means that those two numbers become only one, or those two tones become only one. That's why we're going to play that 6 only one time. So we play 5, 6, 5, 5, 6, 5. Okay? The tones have to be short, so every time when we have played a tone, we lift the finger. Or we stop pushing, we're not going to lift the finger in a way that we have it away from the strings. We just stop pushing, and in that way we get a pause. Okay, and the rhythm is like this. It's a reggaeton rhythm. Nice, and that's the first measure. At the same time, we're going to mute the strings. We're going to use palm muting. And it was like this. We put this side of the hand right after the bridge in a way that we mute a little bit the strings, only a little bit. Okay, hear the difference without muting and muting. Okay, so the first measure sounds like this. And the second measure is like the first one. So when we put together the first and the second, nice, I show you one more time. And now let's try to play those together. 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect. Let's play it one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... And then we arrive to the third measure, and this time we're going to play with the index finger the 5th fret 4th string, and with the ring finger the 7th fret 3rd string. Okay, but if you see, this time we're not going to play 5, 7, 5, 5, 7, 5. We skip the 3rd tone in a way that it sounds like this. Okay, you see the difference? Where we should play the 3rd tone, that 3rd tone, we're going to skip it. Okay, and then we arrive to the last measure, and it's like the 3rd one, where we skip the 3rd tone, done. But this time, instead of coming back to the 4th string, we're going to play that 3rd string 2 times. So the last measure sounds like this. Okay, I'm going to show you one more time, the last measure. Nice, and now I'm going to put together the measure 3 and 4. I play it one more time. And now let's try to play together the measure 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect. Now I'm going to put everything together from the beginning. I can play it 2 times, and then we try together. I'm going to play one more time, a little bit slower. Nice, and now let's try to play together. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's play one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Nice, and they just keep repeating the same melody across the whole song. So now let's try to play it 2 times. We repeat it. 1, 2, 3, and... And again. Let's try to play it one more time, repeating it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. And that was Be The One by Dua Lipa. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you want to get more videos like this one, and if you enjoyed this one, please give it a thumbs up. I remind you that you can visit my website, EasyGuitarTube.com, where you're going to find all my tutorials. Thanks for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.